Yo, what's up, Bar Bills family? This is your boy Kubo, back at it again with another little video. Today we're going to be doing a custom exhaust on a 2026 Dark Trail F-150 4x4 5.0. That custom exhaust is going to include the muffler delete, resonator delete. Then we're going to be doing a Y pipe into an H pipe. And yep, stay tuned for the results. Hope you guys like it. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright guys, I'm going to give you a little cold start of the truck with nothing done to it, completely stock. You guys are going to hear it right now. I'm going to give the phone over to my daughter. Let's get it. Alright guys, here's going to be the cold start. Hold it, baby. Alright, let's go turn it on. Don't move.
It's me.
Alrighty. You guys can...
Hi, Daddy.
Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Like, alright, that was the cold start so far. Right now, my daughter Siani is gonna hold me revving the engine a little bit so you guys can hear it. And now that's gonna be next. Hold it, baby. Alright guys, that's how it sounds right now. I gave you guys a cold start and some revs. Now with the stock exhaust, we're gonna hear with the new custom setup. Let's get it. Alright guys, actually we had a little discussion with my boy Jacob here at Bills Muffler. We're gonna actually be doing H to X pipe instead of the Y to H pipe. We're gonna make it true duals and do the H to X pipe. Let's get it. ¿Sabes qué? Dale mamás. Whee! You having fun?
Yeah.
You having fun? Alright guys, check it out. Woo. As you can see, that is the H to X pipe, and now it's a true dual setup. Now we're gonna record the startup on this new setup. Make sure to come out at Bills Muffler out here in Killeen. See my boy Jacob. Let's get it. Sir. That sounds dope. All right, guys. actually, before I conclude this video, tomorrow I'll be turning on the truck so you guys can get an actual true cold start.
We're going to China.
Yep. And you can hear the exhaust on this new setup and then hear some revs. But that'll conclude the video. And right now we're gonna go to where?
China. Because we're Mexican.
Oh yeah. Alright guys. It's the next morning. I'm gonna give you guys a true cold start to finish out the video. I'll place the phone and you guys can check it out. Let's get it. Alrighty, that was the startup. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of revs, not something too crazy because the truck is very new, but just so you guys can get a little taste of what it sounds like. Alright guys, we made it back home. Hope y'all like the outcome of that H to X pipe. And now it's actually true, a true dual setup.
But I'm sweet.
Yep. Definitely makes the F-150 5.0 sound a lot better. True duals. We took away the muffler and the resonator. And we added the H and X pipe.
Okay, bye,
and
guys.
Straight back out. Yeah, say bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace.
Peace out.
Peace out. But make sure that if you know or you like this setup, make sure you go ahead and do it to your truck. I definitely recommend it. Sounds very nice. And more than anything, it looked very nice too. Shout out to my boy Jacob out in Bills Muffler.
Okay, bye. Peace out. This is my brother.
What's his name?
White girl.
A ver, corre. A ver, so he runs after you. Raiko. Raiko. Before I forget and close this video, thank you for all the support, Barrio Builds family. If you guys have any suggestions for the F-150 5.0, let me know. Until then, catch you on the next one.
Bye. Cheese. And make the video.